Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use your voice to type in Grok? You can turn on the dictation feature in just a few steps. Let me show you how. First, open the Grok app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen. Then tap your profile picture. Scroll down until you find Dictation. Here, you'll see the option Enable Dictation. If the toggle is on, you can use your voice to input text in Grok. This makes it faster and easier, especially when you don't want to type. If you turn it off, the voice input feature will be disabled. You can switch this anytime, depending on your needs. For example, turn it on when you want quick input, and turn it off if you prefer typing manually. And that's how to enable or disable dictation in Grok on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.